Hey there, Team Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee. We have got a TMG Classic here, the good old Copperhead 52, rolling out shop today. About to load this one up on a trailer, ship it all the way across the country. But I didn't want y'all to miss it, so let's check her out here. Like I said, our Copperhead 52. This one's going on man Randy, and Randy has loaded the smoker up, and he's loaded up on TMG accessories. So inside this beautifully wrapped wrapping paper here is a TMG 1776 cutting board. Great thing to add onto your build, by the way. But this is a Copperhead 52 reverse flow smoker. So we got two sliding trays in here, removable reverse flow plates, so you can lift them up out of there, clean up underneath your smoker. Got the complimentary fire poker in there, of course. Close that back down. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there. We've got our standard front shelf. Now he did add two cup holders here to the side. Got your paper towel utensil holder that comes standard on every smoker. Did get on our off-road package, got some badass upgraded wheels and tires. They are filthy dirty. I'm gonna have to get on to my detailer about that. I'm not happy about it, but I'll deal with it. All right, next we got our hot box here, our 30-inch hot box, 5 sliding trays in here, 1,776 grams of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America, okay? And we've got our removable plate with daisy wheels down in here, so you lift that plate up out of there, you can get direct fire in here, do wood-fired pizzas. Of course, you can just use it as a smoker, you can use it as a warmer. Now, he did get our side folding shelf here. Folds up, nice little platform to set something on. Fold it back down when you're not using it. Now, he did option for our insulated firebox. We got some more of those accessories in here I was telling y'all about. We've got our bacon press, our burger press, our TMG torch charcoal chimney, which comes with a lifetime warranty, guys. You can get all this stuff on our website. Got the fire management cradle there, D-ring tie-down points on all 4 corners, of course. And he did get our fold-down stack, so when you're rolling in the garage, you can fold it down when you're done with it, or when you're ready to cook on it. Hell, you probably could just roll with it like this if you want to, but if not, fold this sucker up. Look at that, you're ready to rock and roll. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.